If you are wondering how can you use adverbs on your daily basis, and if you are wondering what adverbs has to do with your English speaking, this video is for you. What you want to learn, which is adverbs, and I'm pretty sure that if you have problem about using this, then there will be many people in this community and many more that they have the same problems. Here we go. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs, adding information to action verbs, or it describes adjective or another adverbs. It tells you how often, when, and where the action verb is being done. For example, how you walk. Walk is a verb, right? How you walk slowly, how you walk quickly, or how you speak loudly or you stay quietly. If you see someone walk away, you think he walked away happily or sadly. If you are upset about something, how you curse yourself. Curse yourself means you want to blame yourself and say something bad for yourself because of your actions. You might silently curse yourself for your action, or you loudly curse yourself for your actions. Next, adverbs also describe how often, or it describes frequencies. For example, how often do you go to the gym? I often go to the gym about 3 to 4 times a week. How often do you have your hair cut? I personally like to have a haircut twice a year. Yeah, twice a year, because I love to have my hair long. And how often do you eat pancake? I love to eat pancake every day. Or how often do you eat healthy? I never eat healthy. How often would you like to have a massage? I love to have a massage once a month would be nice. So this describes frequencies, okay? Next, remember as I said, adverbs also describe when the action verb is being done. So when did you have ice cream? I had ice cream yesterday. Or I have ice cream almost every day. When will you practice English? When will you practice English? I will practice English after I watch week videos. I will practice English after I watch week videos, or after I finish watching week videos. What am I doing right now? I am teaching you guys English now. Why did you have to leave office early yesterday? Oh, I left office early because I needed to go to the airport. And next, it's also described where. So where would you like to work today? I can work everywhere if I have my laptop. I can work everywhere if I have my laptop. Where would you prefer to go for exercise? I would prefer to go exercise outside. Do you know where the ice cream shop is? You just go there, turn right at the first traffic light. And the last one, where are you having dinner? Where are you having dinner? We are having dinner at home. We are having dinner at home. I want to add on some notes. It can also describe adjective that's already describing. For example, you want to say, you are very beautiful. You are beautiful. Beautiful is adjective that describe the person that you saying that she is beautiful. But when you put very, it is an adverb that describes the adjective that is already describing. Okay, and another example I want to add on, if you say this bag is heavy, so the bag is already described in adjective terms that is heavy, but you want to add adverbs. You can add this bag is super heavy, so it's not just heavy, it's super heavy. So adverbs describing the adjective that is already describing. See, when you give me content ideas, this is very helpful, not just for you, but for everybody as well, because I can see which area you want to improve specifically and where I can help you with, so that you can improve your English level faster and get closer to fluency eventually. So I think that's it. All about adverbs, and now hopefully this video will help you use adverb correctly and in a more appropriate way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.